26th January 1950, we became a republic. 2 days thereafter, the Supreme Court of India had its first sitting. All the 6 judges of the Supreme Court had held their first meeting in the building of the Supreme Court. And it was presided over by the first Chief Justice of India, Sir Hiralal Kania, incidentally, again from this High Court. In his inaugural address, he emphasized on 3 things. First is judicial independence. He said it should be the duty of the Supreme Court, it's the mandate of the Supreme Court to protect the independence of the judiciary from the overreach of the executive and the legislature. This is number 1. Number 2, he said that interpret the Constitution and the laws in accordance with the societal needs as per the requirements of the time, not give a textual content to the interpretation fixated with time. The third one was that Supreme Court must have the faith of the people. The people of this country, the law-abiding citizens of this country must have faith in the Supreme Court. We all know, I always say, that we in the judiciary, we neither have the purse nor the sword. Our greatest strength is the confidence of the people. So therefore, all of us will have to be very, very careful about this. We must uphold this independence of the judiciary, interpret the laws as per the societal needs, and maintain the faith of the common people in the efficacy of the administration of justice, which we have. Justice Kania was the first Chief Justice of India, and Justice Gawai is the 52nd Chief Justice of India. This long journey of 75 years, we have seen 52 Chief Justices. Much water has flowed. But the emphasis remains the same. Our core principles remain the same. And I am like many of us, many of the millions of Indians, I am very happy to see Justice Gawai occupying the highest, adorning the highest judicial office of the country. Because in his elevation, many a citizen of this country have seen great hopes. It's a republic's reaffirmation of our constitutional commitment to equality, and that we have shunned discrimination of all kinds.